Stowell Farms. It's a family-owned farm, currently farming 3,000 acres. The main focus of the farm is the dairy. It was built 8 years ago, so we have 530 cows in total, currently 530 tags on each cow. We monitor illness since CowManager has been installed by alerts straight to our phone. All staff have the access to the app, and also they monitor it on the computer. This has helped us improve health very quickly because we're allowed to get to the cows a lot quicker to eliminate the risks of health progressing into a far worse situation. So every Thursday we have a vet routine, and our vet is very keen to see the rumination of the sick cows what are presented to him. Monitor the cows over a 2-3 hour period to see if it's just a little blip, but we will react to them very quickly, and a visual check followed by a temperature check. And if it's a fresh cow, we will check for a DA. This has helped us. A lot of the times we are intervening with rehydrating the cow without using antibiotics to start off with. The health is key because we want to reduce antibiotics, but also first and foremost we want to make sure we've got healthy, productive cows. Since we've installed CowManager, we've reduced down to nearly 50% of our antibiotic usage. The fertility module is key for us and also for most businesses as well, but the accuracy of it and also the timing of the AI, it allows us to monitor these cows on an hourly basis, and the accuracy of it was just, it blew us apart really. It was so accurate, and it was picking cows up, silent cows up, whereas the old system wasn't. Since the installation of CowManager, fertility has improved. Regarding preg rates, we were currently running around 20% on preg rate before we installed CowManager. We're now averaging 25 consistently. Our insect submission rate has gone from 55% and we're averaging now 65-70% consistency. Return on investment, I would say within a year and a half, I think the system will easily have paid for itself, and also saved cows as well, which is key to the business. I have recommended CowManager to several friends and several other producers. It is definitely the best product on the market from where I sit here now. How accurate it is, the time it has saved the team and myself, and also the efficiencies is brought to our unit, and the return is brought as well has been key, and I would highly recommend it to anybody I know who's